Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this brilliant example of the Honda Jazz S. This one's finished in white. Features a 1.3 litre manual engine. Achieves over 50 miles to the gallon. It's partly thanks to the stop-start engine. Of course, being Honda, it's got brilliant reliability. We take a look in the rear of the vehicle. The Honda Jazz is known for being a great practical car. As we can see, brilliant size boot there, and you also have fully folding rear seats when needed. The vehicle itself is in excellent condition. It's been very well looked after. Take a look inside the vehicle next. As mentioned, the Jazz, great practical car. You can see really good head height, as well as ease of access. Features of the vehicle, you've got cruise control and speed limiter, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, thanks to the infotainment system you can see there. So you can call loved ones whilst on the move. You've also got air conditioning and a handy USB charging point. 3 seats in the rear, so you can see there, again, great leg room, great space, in brilliant condition. So there we are, a great practical car with brilliant reliability. And as always here at Luscombe's, the vehicle will come with a multi-point check, service, and be given 12 months MOT for its new owner.